agri market, if I talk about, yes, it has been impacted by COVID, because I will start with that. Market remains shut for I think, extended time of 1.5 months. During the peak arrival time, we have seen some ground level issues, and that has impacted the participation on exchange itself. Because you know that agri commodities are mostly hedgers driven commodities market, where hedgers comes and they do participate, and mostly business remain in the hand of people who are actually exposed to the commodities. So that has impacted, but thankfully the government has remained proactive to ensure that food supply chain is intact and farmers are not suffering, with various steps which government has taken, which were long overdue for the market benefit. And at the point when we are seeing the mutual fund and institutional participation, those will help. So I will quickly cover a few points which will help in long term. The financial participation is like integration of ENWR with the electronic market, so that will help the trading of agri commodities, especially online trading. Out of mandi trade has been allowed, which will help to develop the new supply chain in between the farmers directly with the end users, or maybe the financial player who want to get physical commodities in their godown. A single license has been given by the multi states, so that was the problem trading in the physical market, that you need to have the license from the various mandi, and there is a various APMC tax. So that has been, I think, sorted out by various states. And another which is important thing is government focus now to the mechanization of post harvest thing. So like FCI is focusing on developing more and more silo, that will create more efficiency. And when we are talking about ENWR, that is going to really help like long term to pave a smooth way by the financial participation in the commodities market. Coming to the index, Manisha, I think that was long awaited step, and we are really quite encouraged that when we are seeing institutional finally stepping in to be active partner in commodity business, index is on verge of launch. And this commodities market traditionally have seen that retail participation remains low because of various reasons. These commodities are specific in nature, and it's really sometimes difficult for retail client to track all the commodities and making an investment and trading decision. But as you know, index is a basket of commodities which proudly represent one sector. What Mudit has said, either consumption side and production side, that will help entire value chain, to make a diverse decision to trade a holistic index which represent 10, 20, 15 commodities, whatever different exchanges are offering. And through the institutional participation, I think it will really help get retail managed money, which I'll say in another terminology, to this commodity derivatives market, and should help in improve participation and liquidity.